Welcome to Vlogmas Day 11.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Okay guys, today's gonna be kind of a cleaning day, so it might be a boring vlog, but that's basically what I'm gonna be doing today, is a lot of cleaning. Taking these two out. Needs to be vacuumed. Leaves all over the floor. Go pee. Sir, what are you growling at? She's having a pee. Oh, are you gonna go pee? Star? What's she barking at? Star! Come here! Oh dear. Got my first Christmas card in the mail today from my aunt. So I'll put that up where I always put my Christmas cards. no shenanigans this time, okay? You got that, Star? Let's go. Come on. Okay. No shenanigans. He listens to us for the most part, but if he gets distracted by another dog or something, he'll take off. Oh, that door's stuck all the time. Come on, Star. You out? Okay. Okay, Odie, go pee. See, we got quite a bit of snow down. Go pee, Star. Odie, Star's gone over there. Go on over with Star. Go get Star. Go get her. Go get Star. Star's having her pee. I didn't take my keys, so I'm going to have to ring Mike to let me in. So apparently, let him pee first, and I'm going to turn this back on because apparently he likes snowballs. Odie, do you like snowballs? Charlene says you like snowballs. I shouldn't be doing this with no gloves on. Do you like snowballs? Star does, apparently. Well, I know Star does. I'm going to freeze my hands. It's not wet enough to make snowballs. Let's get Odie with one. Here, Odie. 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 Odie, look what I got. Odie. Oh, my hands are cold. Get the snow. Get it. Get him. Odie. Odie. Get him. Odie. What's that fool doing in the window? Look at that fool in the window. Okay, tell him to buzz us in then, because you're not going to do anything unless you already did. Come on, Odie. Get him. Let's go get Daddy. Come on. Let's go get Daddy. Come on, Odie. Odie. Come on. Come on. Get him. Get him. Get him. They think their hallway is their wrestling ring. Get him. Get him. Get him. Come on, you guys. Come on. Enter the Thunderdome. Get him. In we go. Odie's making funny noises, Star. I'm going to have to take you guys out again soon. We've been laying down all afternoon. So we did all our housework this morning. Well, the stuff that I wanted to get done on my to-do list was to give that counter a good cleaning off in the kitchen and to get the laundry done. So we got that done and then we just kind of relaxed. for the afternoon. I watched a Hallmark movie, but now I gotta go and take the doggies out again and probably have some supper soon. So I'm gonna end Vlogmas Day 11 right here. Odie, don't fall off the bed. He's rolling around down there. I'm gonna end Vlogmas Day 11 right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was kind of but anyway, hopefully more exciting things to come. So I'll talk to you guys all soon. Bye, everyone.